What's up, guys? Christian from Paradox Print and Sign Co. So today is a really cool day, and that's because we're wrapping my personal truck. This is a long time coming. I've always wanted to do this, and now we have the capability to do it in-house. It's really sick. It's a cool design. You guys will see here in a second, and if you're local to here, you're definitely going to see me out on the road. If you do, say hi, because it is straight neon green all the way through. So you will not miss me on the road if you go by me. So pretty cool day. Let's get into it. Alright guys, Dave is almost done with the whole driver's side. It is looking awesome. Already got the top done, and he actually matched up the two camos. That's awesome. Dave, what you think?
It's looking pretty damn good.
What's up, guys? So it's day 2 of the truck wrap, and Dave is pretty much finished up. We still have a few things to finish out, but we're not doing it until next week. I'll show you in a second, but it's my front bumper and just a few other things. It is awesome. So here's the passenger side. And we'll move back to the tailgate. Looks absolutely awesome. Even embossed the Ford logo. It's great. And then move to the driver's side. And looks just as good. And then here's the hood. So turned out awesome. So next week we're gonna be doing this whole front bumper and then the grill, and super excited with how it turned out. It looks absolutely awesome. All right guys, if you like that, be sure to tune into the next video. We'll have a ton of content like this coming. Every time we do a wrap, we're gonna do a video like this. And then we're also thinking about possibly doing some like walkthroughs where we're actually talking on the video, kind of talking you through exactly what is going on, doing some head cams or chest cams of him actually wrapping so you can see it a little bit more in detail than just like a time lapse. And maybe some of the design process that people are interested. So definitely tune back in. We'll see you in the next time.